my grandma's bedroom and grandpa's room. This is their ceiling fan. This one's a Concord. Now this is in their bedroom. So I gotta be careful. I wanna make this video quick, and I gotta be careful. And as you can see on the top, if you notice, they're kind of like oak, white oak, and they're white on the bottom. So yeah, and this is a very nice Concord ceiling fan. So let me go ahead and turn it on now. Gonna start with low. Gotta be careful because I don't want to pull the. If I did that, it'll fell out. That'd be bad. I'd get in trouble, so I don't want to do that. So I don't want to. Gotta be careful. Make this video quick. Low. That's low. There's medium. Gotta be careful with the pull chain. There's the top of it. Yeah, my grandma has 6 of them, but there's 4 of them that are the same now. Like I said, the 2 in the back bedrooms and the computer room don't have lights now. My grandma has one in the sunroom that's the same, except this one has a light kit. That's really weird. Very nice ceiling fan. I'm gonna. That's medium. I want to be careful. I don't want to. Sure, the fan feels good. Oh, that feels good. I'm going to be careful. I don't want to break it. Gotta put it back on low. I'm going to turn it off. Alright, there y'all go. If you have any comments, feel free to leave me one. Once again, this is the one in the master bedroom. So anyway, thanks for watching. Yes, that's gonna be it. Oh, one more thing. See? Concord. Alright guys, thank y'all for watching. Peace.